In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default view in ClickUp. If you want everyone in your workspace to land on the same view automatically when they open a specific location, this is a great setting to use. It helps create a more consistent experience, especially when your team works from the same space, folder, list, or broader area and needs to see the same layout right away. Before you begin, the first thing to do is check your plan. Make sure your ClickUp workspace is on the Business Plus plan or higher, since this feature depends on your subscription level. If you don't see the option later, this is the first thing you'll want to verify. Once that's confirmed, go to the location you want to customize. This could be a space, a folder, a list, or even the everything view, depending on where you want that default behavior to apply. The important thing here is to open the exact location where you want people to automatically see a specific view in the future. After that, open the view you want to use as the default. For example, if you want people to land on a list view, board view, calendar view, or another saved view first, make sure that exact view is currently selected. This step matters because ClickUp will apply the setting to the view you have open at that moment. Next, open the view settings. You can do this in one of two ways. Either right-click the name of the view or click the three-dot menu next to it. Both options take you to the controls for that view, so use whichever feels more natural in your workflow. From there, look for the setting called Set as Default View and turn it on. This tells ClickUp that this should now be the main view for that location. Once you enable it, the change takes effect for that area. That means whenever someone visits that space, folder, list, or everything view, the selected view will open automatically for them. It's a simple change, but it can make navigation much smoother and reduce the need for team members to switch views manually every time. If you're organizing work for a team, this is especially useful for keeping everyone aligned and making sure the most helpful view appears first. Thanks for watching.